Did you see those fancy cars? Wonder which VIPs are here. Let's find the elevator. It leads to the rooftop garden. Oops, wrong floor. Here we are. Have you ever stood in the heart of a capital city? Surrounded by towering skyscrapers and the hum of modern life? Then suddenly find yourself transported to a green tranquil escape in the sky? Welcome to the TRX Rooftop Garden. It's one of Kuala Lumpur's most underrated gems. It sits quietly above the Tun Razak Exchange. It's the weekend, so the rooftop garden is noticeably busier than usual. Many families have come out to enjoy the open space and cooler air. The play area and walking paths are full of laughter, strollers, and people soaking up the view. Look around. You'll see the Petronas Towers, KL Tower, and even Merdeka 118 in the distance. It offers one of the best panoramic views in the city. And yes, it's completely free to enjoy. This rooftop garden isn't just a patch of green. It's a visionary urban oasis in the clouds. It rises above the Exchange TRX, that's KL's luxury lifestyle destination in the heart of the new financial district. While the mall below buzzes with boutiques and cafes, something different happens up here. The noise fades. Nature takes over. Malaysia's first Apple store is located right here at the TRX Rooftop Garden, but it hasn't opened yet. The store is still under wraps, with hoardings in place and final touches underway. Despite that, it's already drawing attention for its unique rooftop location and sleek design. Once open, it's expected to be a major attraction for locals and tourists alike. I'm now walking toward the TRX106 Tower, one of the tallest buildings in Southeast Asia. It's conveniently connected to the Exchange TRX Mall through this very rooftop garden. What really sets the TRX Rooftop Garden apart is its accessibility. Many sky parks feel exclusive or hidden. This one feels open. Locals, tourists, and office workers all gather here. Families bring their children. Joggers run laps in the morning. Photographers chase golden hour shots with the skyline as their backdrop. And if you're visiting with kids, the rooftop garden has a dedicated play area too. It features safe, modern equipment designed to keep children active and entertained. The soft flooring and open layout give parents peace of mind. It's shaded, well-maintained, and blends beautifully with the surrounding greenery. While the little ones play, adults can relax and enjoy the city view. TRX Rooftop Garden isn't just a green space. It makes a powerful statement. Even in a finance-focused district, there's space for peace. There's space for greenery, for community, for breath. So come up here, bring your camera, bring your thoughts. You'll leave feeling lighter. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!